This is an overview of the FBA P&L calculator template. To use this template, we first need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, just go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for Gorilla ROI. Install the required add-on. Once installed, the add-on will appear here. Here you will see an option that says Use this add-on. Click Use this add-on, come here again, and then you will see another option that says Add User ID. Since I have already added mine, the menu looks a bit different. Let me show you how the Add User ID appears. This is the Add User ID box. You just need to copy paste or type in yours and hit save. In case the save button doesn't work, just follow the same steps in incognito mode of your browser. Once saved, the data should start appearing. In case you run into an issue or you do not see any data, just delete this cell and undo it. It will trigger a refresh across the whole sheet and you should now start seeing the data. So we have the SKUs and SNs here and then the particulars here. And here we have some more data, the charges and the fees. And this is the sheet where you will find the detail of the fees and the charges. So the blue ones are the charges and the orange ones are the fees. Then we have the inputs tab. We do not need to edit anything here since this is a backend tab. The instructions tab contains the instructions on how to activate the add-on and use the add-on. Then we have the color legends, and these are the colors that we use in our sheets. We have this glossary tab here. It contains a list of all the custom functions that we offer. If you want to find out more details for any function, just hover over the function and click this. It will take you to our webpage for this particular SKU. Thank you.